It shows the woman washing the elephant with a sponge while in a river in Thailand. But clearly unhappy at being touched, he reacts by throwing her into the air with his trunk. She is seen getting back onto her feet at the end of the clip, luckily unhurt.
Lion opens the door of the car with his mouth.
I know. There's this locked door.
This clip isn't about animals saving humans, but we just had to include it. A goat was about to drown, but who should come to the rescue than the brave pig who managed to save the goat and escort it back to safety. This black bear ended up in people's backyard, but he didn't stay there for long, all thanks to the family dog who chased the bear away.
A real policeman never lets his guard down.
Let me help you to learn to swim. We wondered how the golf cart ended up in the car. We checked the CCTV and...
A crazy death spiral. I'll call it Raging Infantry.
They'll see zebras, buffalo, giraffes, and hippos, and they might even see a wild cheetah. However, the biggest and most common animal on the safari will be the African elephant. In January of 2018, a group of tourists came across a family of elephants out in the wild. Their safari cars stopped to take pictures, but then things take a scary turn when Papa Elephant decides the photo shoot is over.
The leopard was sneaking up on a man who was too busy snuggling with other wild cats to notice, but thankfully, he didn't have to, as a tiger came to his aid.
I asked myself that how can a dog do that?
It's in the name. They are the goats of climbing.
This dog thought the robotic vacuum might be hungry.
I almost ducked for cover after hearing gunfire, but it was just this shoebill stork.
When you're 5 years old and your mum came to clean your room,